Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol has slammed BJP for prioritizing 10-hour discussion on Vande Mataram in Parliament while ignoring the unsettled crisis in Manipur, where thousands still remain homeless with uncertain future. Participating during a discussion on Vande Mataram yesterday, MP Bimol asserted that real issues such as unemployment, pollution in New Delhi, civil aviation crisis and Manipur crisis have been sidelined to discuss Vande Mataram, while adding that the debate had little to do with national song and more with BJP's political ambitions in West Bengal, where election is due next year. MP Bimol said, "We have been demanding at least a 3 to 5 hour discussion on Manipur as over 60,000 people continue to live in relief camps due to the crisis which was caused by the failure of the government to impose a constitutional order in the state." Speaking further, MP Bimol said the true meaning of celebrating Vande Mataram is to uphold what we have promised to ourselves in our constitution.
10 hours dedicated discussion on Vande Mataram is what is the purpose of this discussion? Why we are discussing on this? We have been demanding that we should at least have round about 3 to 5 hour discussion on Manipur. Nobody cares. And you think that's a Desh Bhakti. To deny a legitimate discussion on the present real issues such as the unemployment issues in this country, the pollution or the Manipur crisis, the fact that you still have 65,000 people homeless in Manipur due to this crisis, which was caused by the failure of the government to impose the constitutional order in that state. We don't discuss, and you want to sing Vande Mataram and discuss, and you think that they will infuse patriotic feeling in them. That's the first thought that struck me. Jawaharlal Nehru, in his book Discovery of India, he said, "Who is this Bharat Mata?" And he insists Bharat Mata is nothing but you and me. There's millions of people in this country, and when you say victory to Mother India, you mean victory to these people. It is you and me and different speakers, whether it was Karnataka Mata or Manipur Mata or Banga Mata, everybody comes together. And this is coming together is what has created the country that we are familiar with and we represent in this house. Celebrating Vande Mataram is to uphold what we have promised to ourselves in our constitution. And it is in this sense, just as you are able to spend 10 hours of discussion here, I dare the nationalist feeling in you, the Desh Bhakt, that devotion in you should demand a discussion on Manipur at least for 3 hours. For heaven's sake, let's discuss Manipur and then we will know what is Vande Mataram means to all of us. Thank you.